your rabbit. Now look, when you open, you have a color now.
Well, this looks like
You
tree.
know how to use it?
Yeah.
Come here. When you flip here, in the bottom, it's
Yeah, there's
empty.
nothing.
Flip in the top, you have a drawing.
Yeah,
Flip
drawing.
in the middle, the color. Or you
Yeah.
try it. Flip in the
This-
bottom first, here. Yeah,
There's-
you hold here.
You hold
Okay,
it.
open.
And there's nothing.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Yeah.
And we close the door.
Here in the
And,
top. No.
and there's
In the middle, here, in the middle.
here.
Yeah.
And there's a color. And there's one.
You have a drawing. Flip it.
Yeah, we have a drawing.
Yeah, it's easy, right?
Yeah, it's easy.
Also, the word like this.
Bro, what's this?
Magic word like this.
Tayo?
So here, wacky, there, here. I like a move it. I like a move, wacky. Come on. So you try your hands like this. The other one. Slide. Wacky, come on.
Come on, come on.
This is the worm. Also this one, you know this? You can change the crayon, pencil or
Yeah.
anything. Put
Ah,
inside,
yes.
just push. Yeah, it's cut into three. But when you put it back here, just push like that, push back. Yeah.
And we turn again.
Yeah, this here. Also, you know the magic Oreo?
Oreo?
Like
Yeah.
this, you know this? Like this.
If we
This is Oreo bite. And also this, I will show the magic ball.
guys, do you see that?
Here, this is a ball. This
A
one
ball?
or this?
Yeah.
Which one?
Two.
Can you open your hand? Close. Oh, look, the one ball. You shake. Open.
Yeah, this is
Yeah, look, I'll put it here. Open your hand. Close. Shake.
close.
How many ball in your hand?
Two.
You open. It's a box. This one. You like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also this one, so you can choose what you want. You can show to your viewers. Yeah, right? Yeah, you eat. You throw. Oh, look, I will eat. Going down. Yeah. Open your hand. It's finished, right? This is easy for you. This one.
Wow, this is so easy, bro.
This is two. Okay?
Yes.
You put your thumb, you press like that.
Yes.
Understand? Yeah, here.
Yes.
Also this one on the drawer box. Like this. Oh, look.
I look
Here, yeah, do you have a candy, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Here, it's empty.
empty.
So what magic do you like? You choose. What magic
I
do you like?
choose this
The Oreo and what other you like?
and the this.
This. Okay, the book or like?
The this.
This. Okay, you choose one. This or this?
This.
The book. These two. Which one do you like? The
This
flower?
one.
Ah, yeah.
This one.
Sure, you like this. Yeah. You like this? You like also this?
Yes.
Yeah. This one.
And this good.
Yeah. And the Oreo.
Yeah, the
And
Oreo.
The book. Sir, he like the book. All of this. You know how to use it, right? Yeah, the Oreo, it's a folded Oreo. You pretend you buy like this.
Bro.
Very easy, okay?
Yeah, very
This one
easy.
also this. Yeah, just